again soon. I need some more water.
Can I do this?
What are you doing to us here, Chandler?
Ooh, my hair smells good.
Wow, my hair is slippery. Hair is soft.
Ooh, got me in my eyeball.
It looks like the desert.
It's funny.
Nick, what are you doing today?
Nothing, just doing what puppets do.
That's so funny.
It came off. How was school this week?
School was tough, man.
Me too, I got so many assignments.
Oh, I feel that, Nick. I have so many.
I got so much homework, it's stupid.
Yeah, I got exams next week.
Oh, man.
It's okay.
Stupid is not appropriate.
Yeah,
I'm sorry.
I'm getting the naps out my hair. Ooh. Chandler, have you thought about being a massager?
No.
Do you know what that is?
Like you stop.
Oh, yeah.
I need a massage. Can I get one?
Can you?
Yes. I call him masseuse.
Ooh.
Mr. Sauce. Dr. Sauce. I ate the soup.
Nick is silly, man.
I like the blues.
Ow! That was cold.
Like my heart.
That's cool.
He said like, ooh, ow, ooh. Time for work.
What y'all doing school today?
I counted.
Count to 20 right now.
1, 2,
Ooh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
You're so smart, Chandler. Who taught you to count? Who taught you?
My neck is kind of hurting in this position.
My mommy.
Stop crying, Brandon. You always cry about something.
Sorry.
You always get hurt in football, too. You cry, baby.
Alright, hold on, Tim. My neck is hurting.
Can I get a ponytail?
I have a hair for a ponytail.
Do I?
Yes.
Alright, good.
Let your hair let go. You just have to take care of it.
Okay, can I get some coconut oil?
Put moisturizer on and conditioner
Okay.
and water.
What else?
I don't know. You have to ask my mom.
Okay.
How much is it gonna be?
Free.
Free?
Yes.
Free.
Ain't no more.
I'm next.
Yeah,
How about
right.
cornrows?
Nah, she said free for me, not you.
What? How much is it for me?
$100.
What?
Oh, gosh, that's not good. That's a lot of money.
I don't have that type of money.
Perfect. I like it.
It looks dry. It looks dry.
Stop it.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Looks like it needs a little moisturizer.
Does it look beautiful?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Did you poof out the bun after you put it in the bun? Beautiful. You think I can get a good date?
No.
Stop,
You
Nick.
can't get a girl for your life.
Now you've been funny.
Ah, he's so mean. It's okay.
Okay, done.
You got up the
I'm
bun a little bit.
I just have to brush it a little bit and then come do it.
Ooh.
Watching the pwede